Hello guys, let us answer this simple question. It says, which of the following is not a quadratic expression? And we have options. So which of the options is not a quadratic expression? But before we can identify the one that we can say that this is not a quadratic expression, first of all, we need to know how a quadratic expression looks like. The general form of a quadratic expression is given as ax square plus bx plus c. This is how a quadratic expression looks like. What actually makes this expression a quadratic expression is this x square. X square is what makes it a quadratic expression, because if we remove this x square, then we are left with bx plus c, and this will just give us a linear expression. That is just a linear function. Then if we remove both ax square and bx, if we remove all of them, remaining c, what we have is just a constant. It's just a constant function. So, but what makes it a quadratic is x square. So we check anyone that has x square, that one is a quadratic expression. The one that doesn't have x square is not a quadratic expression. Now let us check option A. We have 2x squared minus 5x. So it has x squared. This one is a quadratic expression. We come to B. This one is in a factorized form. We can expand it, and if we expand it, x times x is x squared, x times 5 is minus 5x. This one is automatically a quadratic expression because it has x squared. Then C, we have x squared already. So option C is a quadratic expression. We go to D. If you look at D, it's already factorized. When you expand it, you have 5 times x is 5x. 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. This one doesn't have x squared. So this one is not a quadratic expression. If you check E, E has x squared. So E is a quadratic expression. So the answer to the question is actually D, because the question says which one is not a quadratic expression. And by looking at them, option D is not a quadratic expression. So the answer is D. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.